Sam, what are you doing?
I want to play bowling.
Why are you caressing the bowling ball?
I'm a professional bowler.
I ain't even seen the edit, but I bet that's cringy, innit? Hey? I bet that's cringy, innit? Look at him, look, hugging the bowling ball.
You're not using my ball.
Brad vs Sam. We're playing 10-pin bowling. Well, we're going to set our lane up because we're going to use 4x2, OSB at the back for the backdrop, and then CT1, BT1 and power grab and bond tubes for our pins. Look at that. All you ladies out there that say men can't multitask.
Now rub your nose.
I'll be like Bewitched.
Whole way.
Like a whippet. Give the man a runway and I will perform. Oh, cramp.
That's not normal. Is it? Setting the pins up. Where's the new cartridge?
The new cartridge is going in the front because that's the eco-friendly one.
Eco-friendly cartridge.
That looks sick, but you want a shot coming like that. We're giving each other bowling names now. He's got
I
a ball.
come up with a cooler name.
Come up with a cooler name. Come up with a cooler name.
I'm going to be called On a Roll.
On a roll. I'm going to be called On a Sandwich.
Yeah. On a sandwich.
Rolls and sandwiches. I'm on a sandwich.
On a roll versus on a sandwich.
Who's going to go first? Chick, chick, chick. No. Chick, 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 boom.
Right, chick, chick, chick.
Chick, 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 boom.
Bang, I'm going first.
Go on then, brother. Step right up. Got to put the guards up.
Oh, yeah.
Continue bowling, mate.
Thank you. That was fun.
Effort, bro, but you got one down, cuz. Are you serious?
Put the barrier back up.
You're lucky the barriers were up.
You're supposed to be a pro bowler, bro, but you got one down.
That was fun.
Everyone's
bro.
anticipating Sam to do really well then.
Oh, God, son! That's good. That one was good. Hey.
8. For score. 8.
Hey. Hey. Hey.
Yes! Strike! Yes!
I think that might be cheating a little bit.
Bro, it's a strike! Get it on the ball! Bradders in a sandwich! Strike! Bro, can't be cheating me out of a strike.
Alright, but that's banned now.
What?
You're not allowed to hit the backboard anymore.
Alright then.
Like that.
But it's alright for the first time.
Yeah, first time's alright.
What?
Fair enough.
How is that the rules,
The
bro?
judge-
It was an exploit.
So he's got a strike and I got 8. So
It's not far off.
He got 10. Innit?
Yeah, but I still get a spare go though, don't I?
No, not now. You've got a strike.
No, yeah, but you do later on.
No, only if you get a strike on the last go.
No.
Yeah.
That rolls over.
You don't. No, it doesn't.
No, bro.
When you definitely haven't played bowling before.
What are you dizzy, cuz?
When
I've got
does
4
a
kids,
strike
mate. I've been bowling every
when
year.
does a
in my life.
strike roll on?
No, it carries on. The strike don't show on your scorecard until you get to the end and you get a spare go at him, bro.
No, you don't.
You do, bro.
You really
You
don't.
do, bro.
You don't.
Listen, don't hate the player. Hate the bowler. Hate it. Fit in, bro.
Ball game!
No.
You didn't even get one, you sausage!
That's not
You
good.
didn't even get one! You absolute deep bowler!
I need to put some curl on. Not that much.
You deep! You stupid boy!
Too much curl. I'm used to a professional lane, you see. This is the problem.
You stupid boy!
Brad's winning.
Right, here we go.
Let me get the ball.
I feel like Fred Flintstone. It's like Fred and Barney Rubble, isn't it? Fred Flintstone and Barney Rubble. That's what we should have got at. Come on! Sit there. Don't need all the gear, bruv. Don't need all the gear. Come on!
That was decent.
How's it work with the strike though? Because did it multiply the next score?
Yeah, I've got 150 now. What are you doing?
Doing them a bit closer. I've lost anyway. I can't win.
You can get a strike.
And then I have to get another strike after that, though. This is my last guy, isn't it?
It's important, mate. Give it your all.
Yeah, grinding, brother.
I've got to get another strike.
Just might go first, no?
No.
Oh, you go straight after?
Yeah, yeah.
At the end of the game, innit? It's the vital bit. Another strike incoming.
Right, here we go.
Ready? Ready?
Game ball. Got pace. Boom! That was 6 added on to the end.
6 added on to the
Then
end.
you got
Double it
strike,
up.
which is 10, 6. No, not double up, bro. 6. He's on 12.
If you're editing the video, you do the maths.
Right, here we go.
Cheers, mate.
That's alright.
That's difficult. Oh, that is a lone soldier right there. Your mum. Your mum. Your mum.
Hold me down.
Get up! Oh, get up! That's it then. That's our bowling antics over now. Who won?
Might have a problem.
What's up?
It's not turning back on.
Battery's gone dead, man. That's all. I'm gonna go to the shops. I'll see you boys in a bit. All right.
Disaster.